chase the train. And 3. Wait a minute. Why can't you stop? Hey! Hey, you mother! You! Oh, I was about to go on a race with you, but that's properly nothing. Oh, it's starting. Catch me if you can. What? Dude. This dude is coming, but why this dude is stopping? This is the most ridiculous thing I ever saw. Oh, finally, I can chase it. 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 Really? Stop. Please, stop making so many stops, or else I swear to God. Fine. I think that's probably nothing. We should wait. 724 must be sued in court. It should be sued in court. Like 724 is so sued in court. So that's probably nothing. I won't race with you. Unless I can race with another train.